Some night you just want dinner to be easy, comforting, and something the whole family actually gets excited about. In this one pan, Roni chicken skillet checks every single box. Start by heating a little olive oil in a big skillet over medium-high heat. Add in the diced chicken and season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then, this is the hard part, don't touch it. Let it sizzle and brown until it's golden and smells incredible. Flip it, let the other side cook, and already you can feel that this dinner is going to be oh so good. Next, melt in some butter and scrape up all the flavorful brown bits. That's where the magic lives. Stir in the Roni and toast until it's lightly golden brown. Then add the seasoning packet in the water, bring it to a boil, cover, and let it simmer low and slow. In about 20 minutes, you got a warm, cozy, one-pan meal that tastes like home. Finish with parsley, maybe a little sour cream, and enjoy every comforting bite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes.